Hi everyone and welcome to my place. I wanted to share how you can put these coloured flowers together for a little bit of soft and gentle at your place. You could give these flowers as a gift, you could give them for Valentine's Day, and with the shortages of flowers currently, I'm using artificial because I know that I can get my hands on them. You might have some beautiful hydrangeas in your garden that you could use, but I'm going to use these blushy apricot in with the red and with the burgundy to just give a little still life and moment of just loveliness. So to start with, you need a container. I have two of these blush, look at those, aren't they just lovely? Two beautiful blush hydrangeas. I have two apricot-y, blushy pink peonies. I'm going to put one over to there and I'm going to bring the other one over to there. I've got three gorgeous red roses. I'll put one into there, and when you're putting threes into an arrangement, a round arrangement, just make sure that you place your flowers with equal distance between each one, and just manipulate your flowers so that they can fall down as if they were naturally growing, or the rain just hit them and they all sort of got a bit of droop on, and that will give you that lovely little bit of movement. Into here I've got three pink peonies, which I'm just going to climb up into the center. Should have taken that tag off, but I didn't, so that we've got equal distance. And you'll find that with the base flowers, they are actually becoming a support in which to hold your flowers. Now I have got two burgundy, and I wanted to use the burgundy because when you look into this lovely hydrangea here, you can see little burgundy bits on it, and that connects in with the burgundy red rose. So I'm going to put those in amongst, one to there, one over to there. And if they look like they're pointing the wrong way, don't worry about that, because that's how they grow naturally. And then that one can go over to there. So you can, and also with the burgundy one there and those burgundy red roses there, that's just a lovely transition, and it's helping to diffuse the heaviness of that burgundy peony, and it just drops down to the smaller forms. Right, the next to go in it, I love these water lilies. Look at that. I saw these growing in Japan a couple of years when you could go somewhere, and I absolutely fell in love with them. And I just think that the colourings are just so soft and gentle. So with those, I'm just going to bring one up into the centre there. The other one can go over to there. And squish those close together, and you can get in there and lift those if you wanted to. And because I've got this apricot-y blushy colour, I thought I would incorporate these beautiful roses up and into the centre. Now this is what I call easy designing, and I have this in my lounge not all year round, but in the middle of winter when it's really cold. There's nothing more enriching to the floral soul than a beautiful bowl of flowers. I hope you've enjoyed this. I've enjoyed sharing it with you, and I look forward to seeing you all again another day. Bye for now.